I don't know if you guys caught this, but looks like he wins again. Yes, U.S. Supreme Court today rules that Trump can withhold $4 billion in foreign aid if he so chooses. So congratulations.
I love it. I mean, why do we got to go to the Supreme Court for this stuff? This is just obvious. All these rogue judges holding up logical decisions. He shouldn't have to deal with any of this stuff. Especially with foreign aid.
Right.
I mean, are you kidding me?
But this is the playbook, right? This is the playbook when they went after him with lawfare. And we've said it before. I actually got the term, the phrase from Dan Bongino. The process is the punishment. Even if he's totally cured, doesn't matter. It's the fact that they can tie you up in court, make you spend money. That is the punishment. If they get something out of it, well then woohoo. But not only do they get to destroy you in the court of public opinion, that's the goal. They do the wrap-up smear, as Nancy Pelosi liked to talk about.
And they're doing that now with Holman.
Right. And they drag you off the road so you can't do what you want to do. They focus, all the negativity on you, and that's the punishment.
Your life savings.
Right, and they deplete. Right. Most people cannot handle a case against the federal government. Unfortunately for them, Donald Trump could.
Don't you think the Supreme Court should just make basic rulings that, hey, no circuit courts can rule on federal decisions like this that the president do? Shouldn't they just make a blanket decision so these small courts have no say in anything? Right now it's so ambiguous that they just come out with some ruling with some judge from Arkansas that has no idea what's going on, and he holds up billions of dollars that are supposed to be withheld or whatever Trump's trying to do.
Right.
Like, it doesn't make any sense that they just didn't do a blanket,
because
what do they call it, credo or something?
Then that would be the court making laws, and we can't have that. Right?
Well,
it's got to go through Congress.
It's making jurisdiction. It's not making laws. They're not going to make a law. They're just saying, you have the right to judge on these things. You don't have the right to judge on these other things. It's this common sense. Like, they don't have the right to judge on federal decisions. They have the right to judge on local decisions.
No, I understand, but they have to have Congress actually spell that out for them.
Oh.
That's one of the holdups.
Yeah, well, we win the midterms. Let's put that on the agenda, okay? We'll take care of that.
Now, if Trump withholds his $4 billion, who's going to pay for the transgender puppet show in Madagascar?
That's the thing you got to think about.
Oh, I think about it.
Yeah.
They might have to go to somebody like George Soros.
Keeps him up all night.
George Soros is busy paying for Antifa to beat us up.
I'm going to be very afraid to look at your search files, okay? Madagascar. Yeah, Timmy Tina. Yes, she's good.
He's on the FBI hit list.
Again?
So, yeah, the Supreme Court ruled today 6-3 conservative majority. Why is it got to be 3? The court's 3 liberal justices, of course, dissented. The court said in the unsigned order that aid groups may lack the legal authority to bring their challenge, which means they have no standing, blah, blah, blah. A bunch of gobbledygook. Of course, the liberals screamed, grabbed their pearls, screamed at the sky.
3 judges, Supreme Court judges, the highest in the land, ruled against a ridiculously logical ruling.
Right, exactly.
Crazy.
But this is what you get from the liberal side. It's their agenda. Let's take it to court because they know they're going to go. They're going to go judge shopping. They'll find the right judge who will say, "Sure, I'll do this. I don't care about my career, and nothing can happen to me anyway because I'm here for life."
Yeah.
They kind of flip everybody off.
I've said it before, but I'll say it again. The notion that there's anything, including a liberal judge on the Supreme Court.
Right. I've heard you say this.
It's just the Constitution. Stop! Don't bend it in such a demented way. Like it's outrageous.
Right.
And every time I hear someone talk about taking away your Second Amendment rights, like, do you not know the term traitor? It's not on the table. Leave it. Get out.
Yeah, exactly.